Zhuhai is a beautiful coastal city with convenient transportation to Hong Kong, Macau, Guangzhou, and Shenzhen. Cowley is located in Zhuhai. We have been supplying high-end paper boxes worldwide since 2006, such as perfume box, cosmetics box, chocolate box, jewelry box, gift box, and other packaging. Now our products are sold in more than 200 countries. We provide a one-stop service for packaging solutions, from sample designing, printing, producing, and shipping. After 10 years of development, Cowley has become a company with more than 200 employees. We have developed more than 1,000 products, and we have cooperated with different famous brands. To expand our company's influence and meet market demands, we have different exhibitions at domestic and overseas every year. Our factory has an area over 20,000 square meters and has more than 30 production lines. We have a strong R&D team with 10 developing engineers and designers. We also have the most advanced machinery and equipment as well. They can highly shorten the sample time. Our color management system can ensure the beautiful restoration of color. Akiyama 5-color offset printing press and Heidelberg 4-color offset printing press. Automatic packaging machines. Automatic die cutting machines. Automatic gluing machines. You can always be satisfied with Cowley's strong production capacity. We have been certified by ISO 9001, SGS, CQC, FSC, BSCI, and SETIX. Our goal is to provide product quality that exceeds our customers' expectations. We have very strict quality control system from raw material, printing, finishing, handicrafting to the final packaging. We also cooperate with trusted shipping agent to ensure the safety of your goods. All our effort is for your satisfaction and build a win-win business with you. Cowley is aimed at enhancing your brand image.